Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
KCM 1208DG. Sporting a 29-hole spiral showerhead, the KitchenAid KCM 1208DG provides even saturation of coffee grounds for optimal extraction and a bold flavor. Two brew buttons enable you to switch the unit on from either its front or side panel. Graduated water tank, carafe has a drip-resistant spout, no way to reset the warming plate. Perfect 10. Programmable up to 24 hours in advance, the Cuisinart Perfect 10 has intuitive push-button controls and also offers convenient self-cleaning and automatic shut-off functions. Its permanent gold tone filter eliminates paper waste. Backlit LCD is easy to read, indicates when it's time to clean, filling the reservoir is difficult. The Bun BT Velocity has a stainless steel tank that maintains a water temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, its double-walled and vacuum-insulated thermal carafe keeps your coffee warm for up to 2 hours after brewing is complete. Makes 10 cups in 3 minutes, deep funnel prevents overflows, internal thermostat. Keurig K-Duo. Thanks to a 60-ounce reservoir, the versatile Keurig K-Duo can make an entire pot of your favorite ground coffee and brew an individual K-cup at the same time. A 20-second pause function gives you the option to pour a serving from its glass carafe in the middle of a cycle. Set it to start a day beforehand, 30-inch power cord, accepts mugs up to 8 inches tall. Technivorm MachaMaster 59616. Equipped with a copper element, the Technivorm MachaMaster 59616 produces a 40-ounce batch of fresh Java in just 6 minutes. When its carafe is pulled away, the brew basket automatically stops the flow of coffee to prevent drips. Available in several colors, auto shutoff after 100 minutes, 5-year warranty.